My name's Todd Marley. I'm the head golf professional at South Suburban Golf Course. Today we're going to talk about fixing a ball mark on the green. It's imperative that we fix our ball marks on the green for two reasons. Okay, for the health of the green as well as the playability of the green. When we go to fix our ball mark on the green, we're going to take our ball mark repair tool, two-pronged item. We are going to put it into the top part of the ball mark and move the grass into the middle. This will help the grass move into the dirt portion of the pitch mark and make it a fuller fix, a fuller completion of the ball mark. We are going to then take our putter and tap down the grass to make sure that it is nice and smooth. When this is fixed, within the hour, we will not be able to tell that this ball mark was here. So this will help us keep the greens in the best shape possible for the playing public. So if one of our staff members finds you fixing these ball marks on the green, you will get a nice coupon for a free bucket of range balls at any one of our 4 courses. Thank you very much for taking care of our facilities.